When people ask me, what does SAP do? Well, I use a metro system analogy. So for this, just put yourself in the shoes of a bicycle manufacturer that wants to expand to another continent. Now, this manufacturer has received investment, money, and they will need a set of tools to manage that money. How much do they have? Budgets, liquidity, treasury, all those terms, and also at the end of the year, do an annual report to see if they are making profit. With this money, typically the first thing they do is to hire people. And now here is another set of tools, another metro line that you need to manage hiring, competency. You have approvals, who's the boss of who can do what in the system, and also when you retire them and what happens. You have also a commerce website, maybe where you can sell the bicycle online. You have a marketing team that will have to do this work. And you will also have a sales line, a group of people that will do some phone calls and travels to go see clients and eventually maybe get a sales order. The sales order is the yoo-hoo moment. That means that you've sold something. I've just opened the expense and travel line on the side because those people will need to track where they're going and to know that they're not just overspending and things like that. Now, this yoo-hoo moment triggers the supply chain. You need to deliver those bicycles. But you also need the tools to design them and plan them and purchase the parts and get inventory and warehouses. Also have delivery and maybe even maintenance at the end. And this is a very large line of supply chain to manage that core business of yours, which is making bicycles. Underneath, you will need a procurement line to provide everything that is needed from the photocopy machine and its paper, but to the rubber tires or even the security around computers as a service. Now, this is a world here that is underneath, making sure that when you're going to sell something, it didn't cost more than what you're selling at. And finally, linked to procurement, you will have suppliers that will want to be paid. They will send invoices. And there you go. You have the world's business metro provided by SAP to do all the different kinds of work needed to be successful. And a last note here, if you are using a specific process, let's imagine on your bicycle that you have a special kind of artificial intelligence analysis tools that derive part models, and that it is not in the standard metro system that you're seeing here, there is a platform of development to actually just act like a little bus station where you can actually reach one of the metro system to do a custom development and still use the platform.